Hello there. Welcome back to Car Care Zone. Today, we're diving into a topic that's becoming more and more important as electric vehicles hit the roads in greater numbers. EV maintenance. Electric vehicles may not need oil changes or spark plug replacements like traditional cars, but that doesn't mean they're maintenance-free. In fact, taking proper care of your EV is key to extending its lifespan and keeping it running smoothly. Let's break down the must-knows for maintaining an electric vehicle. 1. Battery health. First up, battery health. The battery is the heart of your EV, and it's also the most expensive component. To keep it in good condition, avoid charging to 100% unless necessary. Most EVs allow you to set a charging limit, and keeping it between 20 and 80% for daily use can significantly reduce battery degradation over time. Also, try to avoid frequent use of DC fast charging. While it's convenient for long trips, using it too often can stress the battery and shorten its life. Stick to slower level 2 charging whenever possible. 2. Temperature management. Temperature management is another key factor. EV batteries perform best in moderate climates. If you live in an area with extreme heat or cold, try to park your EV in a garage or shaded area. Some EVs offer battery preconditioning features. Use them to bring the battery to an optimal temperature before charging or driving in harsh weather. 3. Tires. Next, let's talk about tires. EVs are heavier than gasoline vehicles because of the large battery packs, which means they put more wear on tires. That makes regular tire maintenance even more important. Check your tire pressure at least once a month and keep it at the recommended level found in your owner's manual or door jamb. Underinflated tires reduce range and wear out faster. Also, rotate your tires every 5,000 to 7,500 miles to ensure even wear. 4. Brakes are another area where EVs differ. Thanks to regenerative braking, your brake pads last much longer than those on a gasoline car. However, this doesn't mean you can ignore them. Make sure to inspect your brake system at least once a year. The pads may last, but moisture and corrosion can affect the rotors and calipers. 5. Fluids. Now let's talk about fluids. Yes, EVs still have fluids. They don't need engine oil, but they do need coolant for the battery and electronics, brake fluid, and sometimes transmission fluid for single-speed gearboxes. These should be checked and replaced according to the manufacturer's schedule. 6. Filters. Don't forget the cabin air filter. Like any car, an EV uses this to keep dust and pollen out of the cabin. Replace it every 12,000 to 15,000 miles or as recommended. 7. Software updates. Software updates are another unique aspect of EV ownership. Many electric vehicles receive over-the-air updates that can improve performance, range, and even add new features. Make sure your car is connected to Wi-Fi or cellular service so it can receive the latest updates from the manufacturer. 8. Regular inspections. Lastly, remember that regular inspections are still important. Have your EV looked at by a certified technician once a year to catch any potential issues early. Look for a technician who has experience with electric vehicles, as EV systems require specialized knowledge. To sum it up, EVs may have fewer moving parts than gas-powered cars, but they still need regular care. Focus on battery health, tire maintenance, brake system checks, fluid inspections, and software updates. Follow your manufacturer's recommendations and stay ahead of potential problems. Well, dear viewer, thank you for watching Car Care Zone. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more car maintenance tips, especially as the auto world shifts toward electric. Please, continue watching the video on the screen to get even more tips, and we will see you there.